Three bricklayers, same job, same tools, same sun beating down on their backs, but three different point of views. This isn't a story about bricklaying, it's a story about perspective and how the way you see your work shapes what you become. If you've ever felt stuck in the routine, grinding through small jobs with big dreams, this is the video for you. Before we dive in, if you're a video creator who's ready to build something bigger with your skills, your voice, and your story, subscribe, hit like, and drop a comment. Are you laying bricks or building something that lasts? Okay, time to get to work. Hundreds of years ago, a man passed a construction site where three men were laying bricks. He asked the first man, "What are you doing?" The man replied, "I'm just laying bricks." He asked the second man, "I'm building a wall," the man said. Then he asked the third bricklayer, who smiled and looked up, "I'm building a cathedral, a place where generations will come to worship. I'm building something that will stand long after I'm gone." Same task, three mindsets. Only one saw the bigger picture. I remember exactly when I became the third bricklayer. It wasn't some major job, it was recording field audio on a documentary project across Europe, driving from city to city, shooting on 16mm film. But something clicked. I wasn't just holding a mic, I was laying the first brick in a lifelong career in storytelling. And that moment, it changed everything. I stopped thinking of my work as a job and started seeing it as a legacy. So let me ask you, are you just meeting deadlines or building something that'll outlast you? Because here's the truth. Clients don't hire the guy who grumbles and just gets by, and they rarely rehire the one who's only there for the paycheck. They hire the third bricklayer, the one who brings purpose to every frame, the one who sees the story, not just the stone. That's who gets called back. That's who moves from freelance to legacy. That's who builds cathedrals. So if you're ready to shift from routine to purpose, try these this week. Find your cathedral. What are you really building? A creative brand, a legacy, a career of impact? Get clear on the vision. Number 2, reframe the routine. Before you hit record or open your timeline, say, this is part of something bigger. This one shift will change how you create. Number 3, cast the vision. Share it with your crew, your client, yourself. Remind everyone why this work matters, and they'll bring more to it. So here's the takeaway. You're not just filming, you're not just editing, you're not just grinding through another gig. You're laying bricks for something that could outlast you. Legacy doesn't come from what you do once, it comes from how you approach what you do every time. And the moment you start seeing your work as a cathedral, you'll never see it the same way again. Please like this video if it reminded you why you started. Drop a comment with the cathedral you're building. Subscribe for weekly insights that help you move from hustle to purpose. If you're feeling stuck, wondering if the bricks you're laying are adding up to anything that matters, book a free 15-minute coaching call at paulstephenforrest.com. No pressure, just clarity. I'd really like to talk to you. Because you can chase jobs or build legacy. You decide how you answer the question, what are you making? Thanks for watching.